How to swage copper for HVAC purposes, heating and air conditioning, for the line set for a split unit. This is the copper pipe. This would be the suction line. Number one needs a tool similar to this. Now, there are different tools, different manufacturers' tools, and a couple different maybe methods to do this. I'm not certain on that. But this has a die. Say this is the particular die that came off of the one, and then simply on the other side is one note here. There's a female thread. So the female thread would actually, you have to get the die that fits tautly in here and screw it on. Just screw it until it snugs up. Nothing fancy. We've got the copper here. Make sure the copper is seated towards the back so it doesn't go any farther. And then we can just take, and we have a handle here on the little tool, and what we can do is begin to simply pump the handle. Okay, and we continue to pump, and as one note here, I'm pumping this handle, but I can feel this in my hand here getting tighter and tighter. So apparently it is expanding in here. So I go again. It kind of feels almost hydraulic-esque. You see the pipe? The pipe is enlarging. Okay. It's going. Then you continue to squeeze. Squeeze again. Okay. Now the handle will not let you squeeze anymore. So this side here should be swaged. So now if we remove this tool, which there's a little trigger to release it, and we pull the tool out, now if we look at this pipe, we have a swaged in on this pipe, which means the end of this pipe, another pipe can fit directly into here and be brazed in. So once it's brazed in, one may ask, well, what would be the purpose of doing this? This seems like just kind of weird way of doing this. Well, think of it this way. If one took a coupling, and put a coupling on here, one would have to braze this side, then one would have to braze this side. So number one, it'll save you money with couplings. Number two, you have one side to braze here. So now if we had the oxyacetylene here and we were brazing on this side, we would only have one braze around here, 360 degrees, as opposed to two. So there's one less area to be compromised for a leak, perhaps. So again, so as you notice here now, this pipe goes this way, and what we just did with this die, when we squeezed this die here, and it's very simple, we squeezed this hand and it kind of felt hydraulic-esque. But once it got to the point, and once it became flared, the handle was no longer able to squeeze. It got really hard. So then there's a button on top that releases it, and we simply pulled it out and removed it. It's that simple to swage a piece of copper. But keep in mind, this die has to be the right size for the correct size pipe you're using. This is a 3/4 inch pipe, so we had a 3/4 inch die. If we had a 1/2 inch pipe, we would use the 1/2 inch die. And this is the way you can swage a piece of line set and save yourself money on fittings, save yourself extra sweats around the pipe to keep from getting extra leaks. And so just an easy way to swage copper pipes or line set for heating and air split units. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.